Service in Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, southern Franklin County in middle Tennessee until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Huntland, or 15 miles northeast of Moores Mill, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, Stevenson, Huntland, Anderson, High Top, Jericho, Sherwood, Base, Larkin, and Long Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Alabama,